First one is OD. Which VC consists of this word? OD. Is it top? No, because top is OP. So, good. Nice one. Okay, next is OG. OG. This one is not X. So, this one is OG. OG. Dog. Next one. OP. OP. This one is dad. OP. Dog. This one is OT. OT. The end is OT. OT. Heart. Okay, last one. Last one is OX. OX. COX. So, box. Well done, children. So, parents, you can use other words to change using same VC. So, don't forget to keep practicing before start using different words to match, because practice make perfect. So, that's all from Teacher Haja. Bye-bye.